You just moved to a new place. You walk outside. Your neighbor smiles and says, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I live next door."
And you don't know what to say. Do you say your name? Do you shake hands? What do you talk about?
Don't worry. Today we teach you exactly what to say when you meet someone new in your neighborhood.
Simple English, real conversations. Let's go. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English. I'm Olivia.
And I'm John. Today's lesson is about meeting new neighbors, the people who live near you.
This lesson is great for A1 and A2 learners. The words are easy, the sentences are short, and after this video, you will feel confident talking to anyone near your home.
We have 3 real conversations for you today. Let's start with the very first moment, introducing yourself.
Watch carefully. I just moved in. John is my new neighbor.
Oh, hello. Are you the new neighbor?
Yes, I am. I just moved in yesterday. My name is Olivia.
Nice to meet you, Olivia. I'm John. I live right next door, number 14.
Nice to meet you too, John. How long have you lived here?
About 3 years now. It's a very quiet street. You will like it.
That sounds wonderful. Are the neighbors friendly?
Yes, everyone is very kind. If you need anything, just knock on my door.
Thank you so much, John. That is very kind of you.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Oh, language breakdown. Let's look at the key phrases from that conversation. I just moved in. My name is your name. Nice to meet you. How long have you lived here? If you need anything, just knock on my door.
Nice to meet you is one of the most important phrases in English. Say it every time you meet someone for the first time. Neighbor, the person who lives near your home, next door or on the same street. Just moved in. You arrived at your new home recently. Yesterday, last week, this month.
Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. My name is, and say your name.
Great. Let's go to situation 2.
Asking for help. A few days later, Olivia needs some help. Watch what she says. Hi, John. Sorry to bother you. Do you have a moment?
Of course. What do you need, Olivia?
I can't find the recycling bins. Where do I put my rubbish?
The big green bin is for recycling, glass and paper. The black bin is for regular rubbish.
I see. And when is collection day?
Every Tuesday morning. Put your bins out the night before, Monday evening.
Perfect. Thank you. Oh, one more question. Is there a good supermarket near here?
Yes, there is one just 5 minutes away. Turn right out of the building and walk straight. You can't miss it.
You are so helpful, John. Thank you very much.
No problem at all. That's what neighbors are for.
Language breakdown. 3 very useful phrases for when you need help from a neighbor. Sorry to bother you. Do you have a moment? Where do I put my rubbish? Is there a place near here? Always say, sorry to bother you first. It is polite. It shows you respect the other person's time. Rubbish is another word for garbage or trash. British English uses rubbish. American English uses trash or garbage. Both are correct. Recycling. Putting paper, glass, and plastic in a special bin so they can be used again.
And notice this. Is there a place near here? You can use this for any place. A cafe, a school, a hospital. Very useful pattern.
Friendly small talk. Now, small talk. This is light, easy conversation. It's not about big topics. It's just friendly and warm.
Small talk is very important in English culture. Let's listen. Conversation. Morning, Olivia. How are you settling in?
Really well, thank you. I love the area. Everyone is so friendly.
That's great to hear. Have you explored much of the neighborhood yet?
A little. I found that coffee shop around the corner. The coffee is amazing.
Oh, yes, Mario's. It's the best coffee in the area. Very popular.
I can see why. The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, much better than yesterday. Perfect for a walk.
I think I'll go for a walk later. Any good places to walk around here?
Yes, the park on Green Street is beautiful. About 10 minutes from here.
Wonderful. I'll try it this afternoon. Thanks, John.
Enjoy. See you later, Olivia.
Language breakdown. Small talk phrases. These are short, easy, and very natural. How are you settling in? The weather is nice today, isn't it? Any good places to walk around here? Settling in means getting comfortable in a new place. When someone asks this, they want to know, are you happy? Is everything okay? Isn't it, at the end of a sentence, means you're asking the other person to agree with you. It is very common in English conversation. Notice that small talk topics are always light. Weather, places, food. Never start with big, personal questions with someone you don't know well.
Let's review the 3 key situations from today.
Situation 1. First introduction. What's the most important phrase?
Nice to meet you. Always say this when you meet someone for the first time.
Situation 2. Asking for help. How do you start politely?
Sorry to bother you. Do you have a moment? Perfect for any time you need help.
Situation 3. Small talk. What is the easy way to start a conversation about the weather?
The weather is nice today, isn't it? Easy and natural.
Quick quiz time. Your new neighbor asks, how long have you lived here? You moved in last week. What do you say?
The answer? I just moved in last week. Or, I moved in recently, just last week. Write your answer in the comments.
You now know how to talk to your neighbors in English. That is a big step.
If this lesson helped you, please give it a like. It really helps our channel grow.
And subscribe for a new English lesson every week. We're here every Monday.
We also made 4 short videos from today. Watch them for more practice. Links are below.
Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone!